Hello, today we will be comparing Hamilton Beach Programmable Coffee Maker with 10 cup thermal carafe versus Kenmore Coffee Maker 12 cup drip coffee machine. Be sure to watch to the end and I will tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. Brewing capacity, Kenmore is better. Brews range control, Hamilton Beach is better. Programmable features, tie. Material build, Hamilton Beach is better. Carafe type, Hamilton Beach is better. Keep warm function, Hamilton Beach is better. After shut off is tie. Grinders tie. Water reservoir is tie. Ease of cleaning, Hamilton Beach is better. Special features, Hamilton Beach is better. Dimensions, Hamilton Beach better. Price, Kenmore is better. Compatibility is tie. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the Hamilton Beach Programmable Coffee Maker with 10 cup thermal carafe. The link to buy this is in the video description.